Paano mo malalaman kung talagang ang passion mo ay ang paper goods business? So yan yung pag-uusapan natin today. Hi, it's Emmy Grace and welcome back to Graceful Homeschooling. So last time, we talked about purpose. Naalala mo pa ba yun? So sabi ko, it's really important to ask God and pray about your why. And maybe now, you've already received that, yung purpose kung bakit mo gustong mag-start ng paper goods business. So today, I want to talk about something that's deeply connected to your purpose, and that's your passion. Let's take time to reflect on this. Is this something you're truly passionate about? Okay, pag-usapan natin ito, ano ba ang connection ng purpose at ng passion? So, simple lang, magkakambal sila. So, when you are clear with your purpose, may bigla kang spark or energy na mararamdaman. That's your passion building up. So, parang sa akin noon, nung na-realize ko that I'm called to create meaningful products for moms and homeschoolers, I didn't just stay inspired. I got so excited. Ideas started flowing. Gusto ko nang gumawa agad ng notepads, devotionals, journals, at hindi lang dahil uso or trending siya, pero dahil aligned siya sa purpose ko. And let's be real, ang dami namang nagbebenta ng mga notebooks, di ba? Pero bakit may shops na paulit-ulit na binabalikan? It's not just about the product, it's about the passion behind the product. So kapag mahal mo ang ginagawa mo, kitang-kita siya sa gawa mo. So from the cover design ng planner, sa pagkaayos ng packaging, sa pagpili ng papel, lahat ng may care, may connection yan dyan sa passion mo. And guess what? Your customers can feel that. They sense the heart and authenticity in what you do. At yun yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit sila bumabalik sa'yo. Kasi hindi lang sila bumibili ng papel, they connected to something real. So one thing I love about passion is this. It makes you creative even when you feel stuck. So kung passionate ka, hindi mo lang iisipin ano kaya ang patok. Ang iisipin mo ay ano kaya ang makakatulong sa audience ko, ano ang magpapagaan sa araw nila, at ano ang product na magre-reflect ng joy, ng faith, at ng purpose ko. And doon lumalabas ang mga ideas na hindi galing sa trend, pero galing sa puso. And let's be honest, there will be times na walang benta, may araw na kahit na ang ganda-ganda ng gawa mo, walang views, walang likes. So doon mo matetest, are you just doing this for sales or you're doing this because you love it? Passion now becomes your weapon in those low moments. And it's the thing that says, okay lang, ituloy mo lang, I'm doing what I'm called to do. It's what helps you show up kahit walang orders. It's what pushes you to tweak your product, improve your process, and still show up with excellence. So ang prayer ko para sa iyo ngayon is that your passion continues to burn bright, na kahit walang perfect formula, kahit may doubts, you won't quit because you're not just selling, you're creating something that blesses others. So kaya kahit planner pa lang yan, or notepad, or flashcard, your product can be someone's answered prayer, and that's what makes this work meaningful and beautiful. So kung gusto mong matutunan pa how to turn that passion into real products and real income, you can check out my course, Papers to Profits. So dito ko tinuturo ang step-by-step kung paano mo pwede gawing negosyo ang love mo for paper products without feeling overwhelmed. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video kung paano nakatulong siya sa iyo. Comment mo rin, yes, Miss Grace, I'm passionate, para makita ko kung sino sa inyo ang ready na to turn your passion into purpose and profit. Thanks so much, and I hope that I'll see you again on my next one. God bless everyone, and I will see you around. Bye!